We are in South Dakota. I think. This is a little dog park at Love's. We're almost to our destination.
Yeah, fake tissue, gotta walk around top Independence Day, we pull up and get it.
Badlands. Okay, guys.
Eating some bison here.
We went to Tatanka.
My cheese is falling off.
I got the bison burrito.
I got the bison sandwich and a burrito.
Yeah.
But
Cheers.
cheers.
It kind of tastes like steak.
That was good.
Very good.
And we got these drinks.
Caramel macchiato. And Benny got high protein Purina dog food. Beef and savory gravy. Bear country!
Bear country.
Aww. So cute! Look at him with his carrot!
Oh my god, they look like Benny. They look like Rizzo.
Benny, there's your tribe! Hey guys! What do you think, Ben? Mr. Bear!
When you get their dog. We're in
Ben.
a standoff right now. Might be a sign. Rams plus 10.
I feel bad because we just ate those burritos. And I didn't know that they were like gonna be out here. Now I feel bad. You guys are eating milk bones? What the heck? Oh my. What the heck? What's this guy doing? He is so gorgeous. Are you following me? What the? Prairie dogs. Oh my goodness.
Can't find Mr. Fisher.
He's hiding. Thank you. Y'all. I'm scared. Look at those toes. Bro.
It's huge.
Beware. Touch him. Ew, he feels actually real.
Bro definitely did it.
Andrew.
Bro did it.
Why is he looking like that?
Yeah, he did it.
Literally nightmare blunt rotation.
That was probably not when my grams form. The audio.
Oh yeah, true. We got these. This is him swearing in.
Oh, this is after the assassination.
Neil Armstrong said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." No, he did not. Because that was not real. Oh my gosh, he literally looks
There's
real.
George Bush.
He
Isn't
doesn't
he's-
look well.
He's still alive, yeah.
He don't look alive. This is actually so cool.
We got away with Joseph. It's like a perfect time to come. We're like so much.
Had it just like that, had it right on track, and I keep finding.
Whose dog? Where are they going? What are they doing?
Alright, team. Hold on. We got mac and cheese bites.
So good. They're good, trust.
Is your phone about to die?
No,
Why is it so dark?
I don't know. Oh, my brightness is down. Ranch. 10 out of 10. I got the French dip. It comes with chips. I gotta try this. It has a little the French dip.
What is that?
The French dip. And it comes with a dip on the side.
Bison burger.
Alright, chat. I got the Key West. What is this? Key West drink.
I got some of that. The Fireball. Cheers. And a Michelob. Cheers.
What about me? What are you guys doing? Benny. Benny.
Good boy. Mr. Big Ben.
Souvenir haul so far. Little Mount Rushmore, a Badlands magnet, and a postcard for my scrapbook. Got this for my mom. The 49ers. Don't mind Benny drinking in the back. Him's thirsty! But yeah, this is super cute. She'll like that. A Secret Santa present, so I'm not going to show it, just in case. A Bear Country USA magnet. He is so thirsty! He's been drinking all day. A sticker for my scrapbook. And another sticker for my scrapbook. Oh yeah, and then I forgot, Andrew found this for me. So cool.
You tried cheesy mac and cheese bites?
Those were so good. We drove a lot today.
I don't know, we just eat a lot.
Yeah, it's been a long day. And it's only like, what, like 8? Like 8:30?
So, oh yes.
We had to download a movie. Well, actually, it's a series. We downloaded a series because we have no service.
Make sure it's freaking working.
We have no service around these parts. In this ranch. Benny, what would you rate your first day in South Dakota? Yeah, a long day.
Black Hills Coffee Cabin.
Black Hills Coffee Cabin. Okay, so I got a pumpkin chai with almond milk.
I got a pumpkin frappe with loaded caramel.
That looks so good.
But We're gonna get some of that caramel down there. Cheers.
This is good.
Super good.
Can I try yours?
Yeah. And then I got an espresso scone.
That's good. I wanted to get the blueberry cream cheese muffin, but they just ran out.
And then show them what Benny got.
And then Benny got... You can't see it that well, but here you go, big guy.
Tell them where we're off to.
We are off to Custard State Park. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. This looks insane. Oh. Big climber. Ooh. Come on, big guy. We are up here. You are such a model. Oh my goodness, man. You're so cute. Look at this good boy.
Could be just like you.
I don't know how I feel about that. Crazy horse. There he is.
Oh, it's Indian party.
That's crazy. Here's the big idea.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd like to see the show.
Benny's first bus ride.
Had his machine, the Buddha, that was in 1920. He purchased that in 1948. He had a hand crank it every day before he went to the top. Now he did have it as long as it goes wrong. They said it's not a guarantee.
Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. This is crazy.
Mr. Kennedy, right here.
Bringing the mountain to you video, where we explain in detail some of the work
That's the goal.
mountain gardening.
Great Bernese. He's a he, and he's 9 months. He'll be 10 months and 2 days. Oh, he's beautiful. Thanks.
We are at the front porch, I think it's called.
Yeah, front porch.
I got a chicken bacon ranch wrap with some steamed veggies. And then we got some chili cheese fries on the side.
Oh, I just got. Bah. But
Never fails.
I got an elk, venison, bison, and then probably cow. I don't know.
Who knows?
It's called Mountain Man Burger. Oh, I forgot the pickles.
Oh, how'd you forget the pickles?
It was good.
Mine was pretty good too. Trying some truffles from Turtle Town.
I got a turtle one.
I got a dreamsicle. We are at a miner's cup.
Yeah, miner's cup.
I got a chai latte with almond milk.
I got a pumpkin patch espresso.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. Bussin'.
What was that called again?
The train robber.
The train
It
robber.
has all the meats on it, all the breakfast meats.
This is called the Colt 45. And it has bacon, egg, and cheese on a waffle bun. Oh, and then I also got a pumpkin strudel muffin.
It's so good.
I love a waffle bun. We're off to
The wildlife loop.
stay tuned for that.
No.
Where are they going, Benny? These are their homes. This is not your home, mister. You need to be respectful of the wildlife. You're not even looking this way. What are you- He said, pardon me. These are their homes.
Someone's torched up.
Oh my gosh. This looks insane. Yo. Candyland. Last night for dinner.
This is what Ben's feasted for his 10 months.
Happy 10 months, Ben. Drew and I got, what was this place called again?
Martinis, I think, or something.
No, that's not called Martinis.
It was Mazuz something, I think. Start with the M.
Yeah, Manazoots.
Did you get Caesar salad too?
Yeah.
Caesar salads.
These look so good.
And then I got, what did I get? Linguine with meatballs.
And I got
I
chicken.
just spilled on my computer.
Oh
Weird.
no.
Huh.
Here you go.
Oops. No.
Cat dry.
And then we're gonna watch some John Wayne Gacy.
Yes, we are. I also got bread pudding. I'm not really like the biggest bread pudding person, but this looks really good and it's heavy. But I got the chicken Alfredo. Garlic chicken Alfredo.
This is super good. Alright, peace. Till next time.
Video 22. See ya. Probably never.
Probably never.
We're literally in the boonies. In the middle of nowhere. Peace out, Rodeo 22.